Hey everybody, I'm going to do a semi-quick video here cutting a single-sided Toyota or Lexus emergency key. The 80K series, code series. So here's our key blank right here. And now the code is on the locks on these, but if you do want to see one of these locks, lease sheet, unlocked and then decoded, check out the previous video and I'll also link it. I did use the Toy 2-track lease sheet to do that. We do have our code. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera or not here, but the code is written real big there, 80930. And so I'm going to show you both ways to do this with the Dolphin. Now, I do have the M5 clamp, so I do not need to use a shim. I highly recommend getting the M5 clamp. It's really nice, especially if you're cutting a lot of keys at one place here. You don't have to switch back and forth between jaws. But anyway, first the way we're going to do it here, I'm going to do all keys lost. Since I'm using a Lexus lock, I'll just go to Lexus and 80930. And it will basically do everything for us here. Just tell us to put it on number 2 and to cut the key. Now, if you didn't have the code, and you say you used the leash and decoded it, this is what this code comes to, A1432, and then the B is 2144. And so if you're going to do it by bidding, you would go to Toy 40. Hang on here. So cut by bidding, Toy 40. And we're doing, right here, we got 4 bidding, which is what it is, and it says one side key. So that's the one that you want to use. And then we just fill in our information, 1432. And 2144. And on these locks here, 4 is the shallowest cut, 1's the deepest. So that's why you notice the key where I put in a 1, it goes really deep because that's actually the deepest cut in this system. And then we hit cut, it'll tell us that it's going to use the B clamp, line 2. So we'll go ahead and get it clamped up here. Like so. All right, now it's clamped down. It's going to hit cut. And we'll let it cut the key here, and I'll fast forward this part. And then I'll test it out here, make sure that it works. Alright, so there's the key finished being cut here. Let's get the chips off of it. And we will test it out here. So these keys only will go in one way. And works perfect. So there's the Condor Dolphin with the M5 clamp. Cutting, it's a single-sided Lexus or Toyota emergency key. Questions, comments, I'll put them in the comments. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.